Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an intro to the Big Bottle Showdown for this year. This project runs the 15th of this month to the 15th of July. It's a project where we use some of our bigger bottle of perfumes to see if we can use them up or at least get some usage on them in our collection. So anyway, all the ladies that will be listed down below in the description box, please visit their videos and give them some love. So anyway, um, first off, I have this. This is the Besame Waterfall Mist. It's from their Peter Pan collection. I don't think this is no. I can't talk today. I don't think this is available anymore. There is a mermaid that sits on top of this. Mine is broken, so I will have to fix her. But I didn't want to do that until after I'm done with this perfume bottle, because I will keep this perfume. But anyway, after I'm done with it. Anyway, I'm gonna use this up. This is also in another project, but I just wanted to make sure I get use on it. And anyway, I'm babbling, so I'm sorry. This is Elizabeth Arden Sunflowers. This is 3.3. 3.3? Yeah, 3.3 fluid ounces, so that's 100 mLs. I want to use this up. I've had this in my collection a while. Then I have these. These last two are from Hot Topic. They're from a Supernatural, like, men's cologne set. This is Grace. And this one is Darkness. These two are from the TV show Project Pan that I was doing with my friends Stephanie and Hafina. Yeah, I'm kind of done with that project. I haven't done a finale for it, but I will soon. These two are, I believe, the last two things in the project anyway. So, yeah, once those two are done, the project Pan will be officially over. So, anyway, those are my four that I'm starting out with. Give us a thumbs up if you like project panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.